Prior to Independence Day celebration, students are selected from across Indonesia's 38 provinces each year.
Maju! Tahan! Di!
These young people share a common purpose and are driven by a strong patriotism. The youngsters are chosen to join the Paskibraka, Indonesia's prestigious national flag hoisting troop. Every August 17, they are tasked with raising the flag that unites the nation and embodies Indonesia's youthful pride, spirit, and diversity.
Bendera! Siap!
Penghormatan kepada Sang Merah Putih dipimpin oleh Komandan Upacara.
This year's Independence Day, however, was a special one as for the first time it was held on the grounds of Indonesia's national epicenter, the future capital of Nusantara.
Indonesia Raya.
Hormat! Gerak!
On August 13, this year's Paskibraka was inaugurated by President Joko Widodo. One of them was Joe Biden Immanuel Kalem of Central Papua. Like every other Paskibraka in history, he was chosen for his discipline, dedication, and patriotism. Like the other Papuan members of Paskibraka, he had to travel thousands of kilometers to reach Nusantara, far away from the comfort of his home, his friends, and his family.
Perkenalkan, nama saya Joe Biden Immanuel Kalem. Saya perwakilan dari Provinsi Papua Tengah. Kami akan bertugas di lapangan IKN untuk melaksanakan tugas. Saat pertama kali masuk ke IKN, saya merasa kaget karena ini dari perjalanan dari Balikpapan, kami tempuh dari Balikpapan hingga ke sini, ini adalah hutan-hutan. Ini masih hutan, tapi ada bangunan-bangunan modern saya merasa kaget. Serta bangunan-bangunan besar lainnya, seperti Istana Negara, sangat besar sekali.
On the days leading up to August 17, the troops began every day at the break of the dawn to rehearse and perfect their roles. Each trooper would rehearse playing different roles of the ceremony, from group leader to flag hoister
Bendera! Siap!
to marcher. And none of them would know the roles they would play on the day of the ceremony. They would only be told a mere 3 hours before the start of Independence Day proceedings to ensure the organizers chose the troopers most perfectly suited for each role. For Joe, his role would be a big one. He had chosen to be one of the 3 individuals tasked with lowering the national flag in the afternoon, a role that would put him at the center of the nation's attention.
Awalnya saya tidak menyangka saya akan lolos sampai ke sini. Tapi ketika saya lolos, saya merasa bangga terhadap diri saya sendiri. Terus bangga juga kepada teman-teman, orang tua yang selalu mendukung. Dan saya merasa bersyukur kepada Tuhan, karena Tuhan yang memberi kesempatan kepada saya.
Finally, on the morning of August 17, at approximately 11:15, the Nusantara Baru team began their march. Their months of training at home and days of training in Nusantara culminating in performances of tidy perfection.
Bendera! Siap!
And in the afternoon, Joe Biden Immanuel Kalem of Central Papua became a member of Indonesia Maju team, played his role as one of the first people to lower the national flag at the State Palace on Indonesia's Independence Day.
Langkah 3, maju! Jalan! Mati! Red! Bendera! Siap!
Penghormatan kepada Sang Merah Putih.
Langkah ke belakang! Jalan!
Rasa saya semakin bangga lagi terhadap diri saya Kak, karena tapi saya juga merasa bersyukur kepada Tuhan karena semua yang saya dapat di sini, semua yang buat saya sampai bisa berdiri di sini itu semua karena Tuhan Kak. Perasaan saya sangat senang sekali bisa bersama teman-teman, bisa ketemu dari teman-teman seluruh Indonesia dan bisa melaksanakan tugas negara ini yang mulia.
Yo! Langkah ke belakang! Jalan! Balik kanan! Jalan! Jalan! Di tempat!
Joe Biden was not the only one who felt a sense of pride. All 76 Paskibraka members who participated in this historic Independence Day celebration shared his honor and accomplishment. Their roles will be forever remembered as they helped pave the way for future Independence Day celebration in Nusantara, the nation's new capital city, as Indonesia enters its new era of Nusantara Baru, Indonesia Maju.
So you need to create places for activity to happen. Unlike, again, the learning lesson from the other city, sometimes we don't have those space because the city is already overpopulated. We don't have plaza, we don't have parks, we don't have street that is well managed. So we create those places first.